Hi there. So I'm going to show you a couple quick features of Google Keep. Google Keep is basically just a note-taking application, and there are two quick ways I want to show you for how you can take notes. So first, on the home page, you can just click Take a Note. And if I do that, this is what my note looks like. So I can do a couple things. I can set reminders for my notes to pop up when I reach a certain location or schedule it for a date and time. I can invite someone to edit the note with me. I can change the color of the note so that I can find things more easily later. I can embed images, or I can archive them to save them from later. So one other way that I can add notes is also by looking at a website. So let's say I'm reading about Arthur Miller and I decide that I want to keep some notes on him. So if I like this quote, I can highlight it and I can click to keep it. So this is what has saved now. And now if I go back to my Google Keep, it has saved right here. For me, if I were organizing my notes, if I thought that these two notes were related, maybe I would also make this one red so that when I look at my notes from far away, I could see that both of them are about the same topic. The other really handy thing about Google Keep is that I can also export my notes to a Google Doc. I won't show you that, but if I clicked that, it would open up everything in a blank Google Doc, and my notes would be on that document for me already. Okay, thank you. That's Google Keep.